This secret pattern is going to blow your mind.
Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. Guys, sit down and get ready for this special episode today, because DaVinci will be showing us one secret pattern here in this area in the charts nobody is looking at right now, and this pattern is predicting the next crazy move for Bitcoin. We will be talking with DaVinci J15 about this breakout. You remember I was talking about it yesterday. We got the confirmation, but guys, there is a big warning sign in the charts right now. I want to know from DaVinci J15 if we are going to get actually follow through and reach our bullish price target here, or are the bulls going to be punished and we are going to get a massive rejection all the way down to our horrifying bearish price target. I will be talking about all of that because DaVinci will also be pulling up his charts and share with us his predictions, his expectations and his upcoming trades for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Of course, I give you a quick update here about my trades on Bybit, $127,000 in profit, on Femex $64,000, 81,000 already taken, and $210,000 on my other long-term trade. But most importantly, right now, I want to know from DaVinci J15, the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pipe, 5x5. Man, the hype train is going full steam ahead. Did you know that the fear and greed index is at over 90 for like a week and a half now, straight in a row? That's insane, right? So you know that something is going to break down sometime soon.
Yes.
How you doing in Maltese? You said you were at?
Yeah, I'm in Maldives, and funny enough, I arrived 2 days ago. I got a little bit sick. So everyone who wants to send over some positive energy, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And I can promise you, I will be well, at least by tomorrow, because 2 videos a day I can only do when I'm well. Thank you so much for your support, DaVinci, and dear viewers. DaVinci, I really wanted to know what is your views on the markets, because I know you made a video earlier. You talked about a specific price target and also about warning signs. There is some confluence with my price target. I would like to go into the charts and know your predictions, your expectations for Bitcoin right now, and also possibly how are you going to trade the upcoming breakout or breakdown?
Okay, so let's bring up the chart here, and well, Chris, what do you want me to start with? The bearish case or the bullish case?
Let's start with the bearish case, because I think the bullish case we should keep for the end, since this is what everyone wants to know, right?
Well, I think we're going to tag this. What's called this plus sign. You see those blue plus signs? They're really tiny there, but I think we're going to tag that, and then we're going to probably roll over and head down to the $17,200 mark is where I think what's going to happen.
Sorry, man, I was just getting so excited. I just want to show the people quickly that it is exactly my bearish price target, which I actually entitled as my my less likely scenario here, all the way down for Bitcoin in case we would be breaking down. Funny enough, sorry for interrupting, I was just getting excited that also our bearish price target is in absolute alignment here, even though you are using a completely different measurement tool. Sorry, please continue.
Yeah, I have like trend lines here that actually get us down there. So yeah, also, but that's my bearish case. And the reason why we see this bearish case is because there's very little volume, and there's somebody here hitting the market with lots of coins, right at the $19,950 level, and they're probably going to move down their their entry to hit the market, right, so that we could have a lower high, so that it will help the market push the market down, basically. So I think that there's a bear up here, somebody with lots of coins. They got refilled here, definitely. Like if I was doing that, that's exactly what I would do. I would sell a whole bunch of coins and refill right as especially when I created what they created was a failed move equals a fast move to the downside, because this looked like it was going to pop off. Like, you remember how you're doing those symmetrical triangles? Here, let me just open this up a little bit. And you would make symmetrical triangles between, here, let me just quickly get the tool for the trend lines. There you go. So you would do a symmetrical triangle from here, right? And it broke out, and then it looked like it was going to go a lot higher. And then all of a sudden, this guy came in like, no more up. and he did it with a large amount of volume.
Yeah.
And once it came back here, I was live on the video. I said, "Oh, a fast move, failed move equals a fast move in the opposite direction." And so he created this fast move in the opposite direction to get himself filled up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's reloaded. He's reloaded. So keep that in mind. The guy who sold up there, he had to do it twice, right? He had to do it here, and he had to do it here. So it wasn't easy for him to get back into the game. So he did get it.
That's the biggest problem,
So
right?
he's reloaded too. And so let's just see if it stopped it at the 38.2. Let's see here. Yeah, he reloaded probably at the 38.2, and all the way down. So yeah, it's definitely someone holding this market down. Will they be able to hold the market down forever? Here's the problem. I'll show you. If we zoom out, they have a problem.
Forever
This is
now.
kind of a head shoulders pattern here. Inverse head and shoulders. You see it?
Yes.
He's got a problem.
I hope he's seeing that, man.
He's got a very big problem. So yeah, you can see right here, right? We've got a big inverse head and shoulders pattern thanks to this guy. And so he is in for a world of hurt.
Wow.
We break the 20,000. World
This
of
is
hurt.
insane. I didn't see that yet. This is a beautiful pattern, man.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, as you can see, that will bring us to an insane. If we break out from here, we're
This
talking
is like 24,000 or so.
$2,000, $3,000 move.
It's like
Jesus.
it's a $3,800 move. It's like 23,800.
Yeah, exactly. Just insane.
Wow.
But my first stop target is actually at the $20,500 level. Should we close a candle above the this green trend line here, right, which we're struggling to break through.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the bullish case and bearish case for Bitcoin. What do you think about that?
I think it's beautiful because your bearish case is, what a coincidence, in alignment with my measured move price target from this symmetrical triangle. And the bullish case also, even though you are measuring differently here, 20,500. Absolutely beautiful. I wanted to say, we did get here the breakout to the upside. We confirmed the breakout. However, there is not really volume coming in. I wanted to tell the people, if we are going back to previous breakouts, recently Bitcoin doesn't really break out with volume, but this doesn't mean that we should be trading that right now. I really think we should be cautious. That's why I think it is very good that you started with a bearish scenario. We had on the 4-hourly a double top, right? There is a lot of selling pressure. We have a psychological resistance. So I think it is very important to be cautious here. We made so many profits. I mean, Da Vinci, like nearly everyone here watching yours or my videos was making so many profits in the last few weeks and even month that it is shakeout time very, very soon, whether it's tomorrow or in 2 weeks. It is going to come and it will be completely brutal. I am very sure about that. So thank you so much for sharing first your bearish case, even though technically here, if you look at the inverse head and shoulders pattern or also at my symmetrical triangle, the statistical likelihood here should be much higher for us breaking out to 20,500 and maybe even on the weekly time frame to 20,380. Also, guys, before I forget it, as promised, I wanted to talk about my trades because literally everyone is asking me, Chris, what are you doing with them? When are you going to close them? And what is your trading plan with them? Well, here you can see if you go up in the Bybit trade, 128,000 US dollars in profit. I took already nearly 6 Bitcoin in this specific trade and I'm keeping the rest here for the next move. If we go down, I already took way more than 3 times of my initial here out of this trade. And of course, the chance of liquidation is here very, very low because my entry price was 10,800 US dollars. My other trade over on Phoenix is looking like this, where I have 64,000 US dollars in a profit and 81,000 US dollars in realized profit. So I already took 4.2 Bitcoin in profits, and already before I took 11.7 Bitcoin in profits on this specific account. And of course, you know my long-term trade here, 2 $224,000 US in profit. This is a trade where I'm not going to take profits at 20,500, not going to take profits at 23,800 US. This one I am going to let it rise towards the upside, wherever it might go. Here my liquidation price is approximately at 9,000 US, an unlikely price target to hit here, even though the next rejection will be a very severe one. And if you're trading or if you're standing on the sidelines right now, I want to be telling you, you should be very cautious right now trading the upcoming volatility. What you can do is you can already claim the highest bonus on YouTube, 1,600 US nearly here in free bonus for limited time. If you click this specific link and you follow the deposit schedule for Bybit, the deposit schedule for Femex, and also we have Dudex here down below. It's very important to note, if you click this specific links here, you can get 1,600 US completely for free here by following the deposit schedule. And you can use only the free bonus to trade here this upcoming breakouts or breakdowns for Bitcoin. And the best thing is you can only use the bonus and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade completely for free. So you will find all of these links in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you take advantage of that if you're an experienced trader. So I think that was an exciting episode. If you guys appreciate that, make sure you get ready for this upcoming trades, but be very, very cautious because you know many people are going to be roasted in the immediate short term. I wanted to know from you, Da Vinci, do you have anything to share here before we are wrapping up today's episode?
Yes, exactly. I want to share my Uniswap token, well, actually my DJ15 token. Basically, we've been doing very well with that. People have been buying it up like crazy, and I really appreciate it. It's been going up nonstop. I couldn't believe it when I saw the chart this day, and I haven't. You know what the crazy thing is? I'm about to buy up a very significant amount of the tokens to burn, right, in a very short time. And you guys pumped it so hard into that. So, that's incredible. Wow. So this thing is going to end up a lot higher. I'm going to have that posted in my DJ token group. So if you're in this group, you'll see exactly how much I'm going to be buying. I'll be writing down what I got paid for every single sponsor and so forth. So I want to be totally transparent with that. And then I'll go and convert that to Ethereum and go and buy the token and move it to the side to be burned at a later date. All right, and also Pandora's wallet. If you want to be subscribed to Pandora's wallet, so you could get my trades, find out what my portfolio looks like, and copy some of my trades. Yeah, you could do so by subscribing to Pandora's wallet. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to raise the price shortly on Sunday because we're just getting inundated with support and requests and stuff like that. So I have to slow down the purchases because it's just gone too crazy. So if you want to be a Pandora's wallet subscriber, you better do it right away. I don't think I'm going to make a sale on Christmas Day because we need to get caught up with all the support calls and maybe hire some new staff so that we can manage all the people that are coming in. So it's a great thing, a great problem to have, right? Thank you very much for everybody for subscribing, who's already subscribed, and looking forward to the future subscribers.
Yeah, it's crazy how the people are rushing towards that. And I think this is a product which really deserves it, especially your Telegram group. You are providing so much value for the people. So I think it's great that the people are showing so much support. But of course, they are doing it because they get so much value from it. So if anyone wants to take advantage of these prices as we have them right now, in the pinned comment down below, in the description, www.pandoraswallet.com. And you can subscribe to Pandora's Wallet and also get access to his secret Telegram VIP group before actually the prices are going to be raised. Make sure you take advantage of that right now. And with that being said, I really want to come to the end. As I already said, I'm a little bit sick. I'm gonna go back to the bed. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thanks Da Vinci for coming back to the channel. Do you have anything last to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the MMCrypto, but more importantly, the Da Vinci J15 subscription box right here and right there, and also the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye-bye.